Hello friends! Did you ever search for a 3D model you needed just to find out that it doesn't exist? Did you find any models that were similar to what you needed? Creating your own 3D model may prove difficult sometimes. But what if I told you that you could combine existing models to get the result you need? How do we get from this and this to this? The first step is to search and select the models you need. We now have chosen the models we want to combine. And this leads us to the next step. Let's download our models. We're going to combine these models in a free software called MeshMixer. You can download it on the internet for free. It has the same functionalities for both Mac and Windows. We go to the folders where we have the models and we drag the models inside MeshMixer. When adding a new model besides an existing one, we are being asked if we want to cancel, replace or append. We are going to choose append. We get a warning that the models are not close to each other. We'll choose yes to fix this issue. We are being shown the object browser. This object browser shows us that we have imported two objects. While inside MeshMixer, we can use the right mouse key and move the mouse in order to navigate. Also, we can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. In order to change the position of an object, you have to select it and drag it in the right position. To do this, you can click on the object and then select Edit on the left side. Then we select Transform. Here we see a bunch of handles that are going to allow us to move the object to the right position. In this situation, we want to move the sneaker up. We select the up-facing arrow, we click on it, and then we drag with the mouse. Each time we want to move the object to a different position, we select the corresponding handler and we drag with the mouse. Once we are done for the moment, we can click the Accept button. Let's say the objects do not fit perfectly and we need to do some scaling. For this, we click on the object, we select the Edit menu, and we click on Transform again. There are these squares on top of the arrow handlers. If you drag them, you will see the object scales. If we put the sneaker and the leg side by side, we'll notice that we have the right leg and the left sneaker. We'll need the right sneaker for the right leg. And in order to do this, we are going to mirror either the leg, either the sneaker. We select the object we need, then we click the Edit menu, and then we select Mirror. We'll move the object in a position where we will notice a copy of itself. Now we have two sneakers. One of them has to be deleted because we don't need it. Go to the Edit menu again, and select Plane Cut. Move the plane in such a way that you will see only one sneaker, the one you need. Press Accept. Only the sneaker we need is remaining. Now let's fit the foot inside the sneaker to create our model. We select Transform again, we move the sneaker, and now we are going to try to move the foot inside the sneaker. The next thing to do is export our model. Head to File, Export, Save it to the desired location. Now we can head to our favorite 3D printing application. After slicing the model, we export it as G-code. Let's print it and see how it looks like. Let's head to the next step and paint our model. Now that you know how it's done, go build some amazing stuff. Thanks for watching and see you soon.